Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the nested routes. Suppose that in this service, we are providing some other services and we want to open the nested URL here within this page. Just we do the same. Just open this service page and here I say we are providing following services like this. Now here in this div tag, after that I have a nav tag. Remember that under this nav tag we may use this header for navigation purpose. We have a nav link also, so directly I can pass here. So I say services and I say nav link like that. I say 2, then I say online service for example, and I say online service, then copy, then paste again, and I say YouTube videos, and here also we can say online videos and we say YouTube videos like this. I save this and we see that we have this one and we want to change something here, and for that I need to create class name here and I say text to start here, so it will go to the starting of this. Then I want to give some space, so here I say class name and here I pass m2 as a margin. Same here, save this. We see we have this link, so I want to click on this link and I want to open. You see nothing is coming. We are going to the bad URL because this URL is not available right now. I want to click on this and I want to display information here below this. I want to click on this, then I want to display my information below this here. So for that what we have to do, I have to import one more your component is called outlet like this, and this outlet I need to open after this navigation. So I say outlet like this. So in place of outlet, this URL, the online URL which I am passing here, that will open, but this URL is not available right now. Online videos and YouTube videos, these URL not available. For that we have to save this first. Now go to app. So we have to create a nested URL under the services. So I need to open this route here. Again I need to call route and I need to give path. Remember that no need to write here route. Here just only type online videos like that, and here we will pass the element, and that element would be online videos. So that element I will pass here. Same, just I copy and I paste it here, and here I pass YouTube videos, and here I say YouTube videos. I save this. We have to close this. Here I need to close this first, and here I need to close this also. Save this. Now we need to define these online videos and YouTube videos as we have used in this. We have used online videos and YouTube videos, so I need to define these component also. So I say online videos.jsx, and here I say sfc, and I create it online videos like this, and here I pass div tag. Under this tag I say h2, and I say we also provides online lectures like this. Save this. I just copy this and I will create one more component that is called YouTube videos.jsx, and here I say copy paste, and I just change the name YouTube videos, and I copy this, paste here also, save this, and I save this one also, online videos. So I have to import this here also. So I say import online videos, then I import YouTube videos like this. I save this. So I think spelling is mistake, so here I say YouTube videos like this, and you will see that whenever I click on this, we have this, we are also providing online lecture. I click on this, we are also providing. Here I have to change to YouTube, so here I say YouTube videos lecture. Save this, and you will see that I click on this URL is coming, this component is coming, I click on this is coming. So like that way we can also create a nested URL. You see, this is the example of nested URL. So you see that how we can create these component, and how these component we can link under the services by using nav link. We can also create these link and do not provide here the root, because these are comes under the service. And if you see here that whenever I click on this, they are coming under the service. This is a service, and after that we have a online. I click on this, after service we have a YouTube. So URL are merging just after the services, because these are nested URL, and these are nested because of the nested roots we have given here inside the roots. So like this way you can create your nested URL also using React Router DOM. That's all in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.